Hello everyone and welcome to Carx Reviews, the channel where we bring you honest car reviews, latest launches, and detailed insights to help you choose the right vehicle. If you're passionate about cars and want updates on new models, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we are reviewing the new 2026 Maruti Fronx, a compact crossover that combines sporty styling, modern features, and excellent fuel efficiency. Let's dive in and see what makes the 2026 Fronx special. Exterior design. The 2026 Maruti Fronx comes with a refreshed and more aggressive design. The front now features a sharper grille, sleek LED headlamps, and stylish daytime running lights that give it a bold road presence. The coupe-inspired roofline continues to be one of its strongest design highlights, making it look sporty and modern. New alloy wheel designs and updated rear LED tail lamps enhance the premium appeal. Overall, the Fronx looks youthful and eye-catching, perfect for city drivers. Interior and features. Inside the cabin, Maruti has focused on comfort and technology. The dashboard design feels more refined, with improved materials and a larger touchscreen infotainment system. The car supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a digital instrument cluster, steering-mounted controls, and wireless charging in higher variants. Seating comfort has also improved, offering good legroom and headroom for a compact crossover, making long drives more enjoyable. Engine and performance. The new 2026 Maruti Fronx is expected to offer updated petrol engine options with better performance and mileage. The mild hybrid technology helps improve fuel efficiency while keeping the drive smooth and responsive. Whether you choose a manual or automatic transmission, the Fronx delivers a comfortable and easy driving experience, especially in city traffic. Safety and reliability. Safety is another strong point of the 2026 Fronx. It comes equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensor,